Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Business and Management, where your future in the business world begins. We offer a variety of programs tailored to equip students with knowledge, practical skills, and experience to prepare them for the challenges of the global marketplace. Our dedicated faculty members are industry experts and are committed to hone future entrepreneurs, marketing professionals, and business leaders. Begin your quest towards a successful career in business at NCF College of Business and Management. Enroll now and be a certified business-minded tiger.
Good afternoon, Bicolandia. It's our second matchup this Saturday afternoon. It's the Annunciation Panthers versus the ACLC Hawks at kasama niyo pa rin po kami para maghatid sa inyo ng mga aksyong laban dito sa Oragon Sports TV. I am Christina Alcanzo Reyes and with me is Rick Puerta.
Ayan, live na live nga ulit tayo dito sa loob ng ating Neo Dinaga Gymnasium para ipagpatuloy ang second matchup. It's between the ACLC versus the Annunciation Panthers. So, yun ang aabangan natin dito kung sino ang makakakuha ng panalo because these two great teams talagang nagpasikat on the previous season of Bukal, and let's see right now kung sino ang makakakuha din ng ating panalo ngayong hapon na ito.
Kaya naman Rick, ngayong hapon na ito, makikita natin na naman yung ating mga supporters from the side of the ACLC Hawks at ngayon nga po dito sa loob ng ating Neo Gymnasium na pupuno na po ang mga taga-suporta ng ating ACLC Hawks, while on the other side ng ating Annunciation Panthers, manonood po sila ng live sa ating mga live coverage. We have the Oragon Sports TV, One Media TV 48 Naga and Bukal Facebook page. Kaya naman po, comment down below dahil isi-shoutout po namin kayo maya-maya lamang.
So pag-usapan natin ang dalawang teams na ito. On the side of the Annunciation Panthers, they fell short on the previous game nila kontra ACC Green Serpents na talaga namang pinakitaan tayo na magandang duel ng dalawang ito. So, nagkaroon nga ang Annunciation Panthers ng podium finish on the previous season of Bukal, and right now, they are aiming to win this Bukal Season 6 at ibalik ang corona sa kanilang school.
Well, on the other side, itong ating ACLC Hawks hindi man nakapunta sa ating Final Four. Pero napakaganda ng performance na pinakita nila last season. At ngayon, talagang grabe yung improvement ng ACLC Hawks. Kaya naman handang-handa na tayong makita kung ano nga ba ang ipapakita nitong ating dalawang kupunan na ito.
Yun nga, nabanggit mo, Tin, talagang nag-improve itong ACLC, and right now, as we can see on our screen, talagang may mga new players na dapat nating abangan on the side of the ACLC na talaga namang I'm sure magpapakitang gilas dito because Sabi mo nga kanina, napupuno na ang bench dito on the side of the ACLC because hindi naman to bago on the side of their school because talagang support kung support para dito sa ACLC Naga. So I'm very excited kung sino ang makakakuha nga ng win this afternoon. At para makingi tayo ng update sa Annunciation Panthers, let's call our courtside reporter Rain. Hi Rain, anong balita dyan?
Ayan, good afternoon, Rick and team. We are back here at Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium as we head on to the second game today. Game versus the ACLC Hawks and the Annunciation Panthers. I am Rain Reyes and I am your courtside resident on the side of the Annunciation College of Bacon Sorsogon Unit Incorporated. Kanina nga, I had the chance to talk to the team captain of the Panthers, Adrian Diaz. At sabi niya, after their first game last week, ay talaga namang they doubled their effort and work on their improving their defense. Their expectation for this game is set to the higher level as they are eager to take back their loss last week. Again, this is Rain Reyes, your courtside resident on the side of the Annunciation College of Bacon Sorsogon. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Rain. Ayan nga itong ating Annunciation Panthers ngayong hapon na ito. Determinado na makuha ang panalo against the ACLC Naga. And also, we can see the determination between these two teams. And alamin na natin kung sino nga ba ang ating starting lineup for both teams. It's the matchup of the ACLC Hawks versus the Annunciation Panthers. At para makihingi tayo ng update all the way from the side of the ACLC Hawks, let's hear it from our courtside reporter, Kyla. Hi, Kyla. Any updates?
Thank you, Rick and Teen. Good afternoon, Bicolandia, and to all our basketball fans who are watching us live via One Media, TV48 Naga, and Oragon Sports TV. We are now on the second game for today. It is a matchup between the Annunciation Panthers and the ACLC Hawks. For the ACLC Hawks, after winning their first game against the Ateneo Golden Knights, they are now eager to have their second win this season. According to team captain Jade Guarin, during the training, they focus on their offense, especially on their shooting, because during the past games, nabibitan sila at medyo hindi pa sanay sa court. They focus on free throw shooting and outside shooting. In terms of defense, they focus on their 1-2-2 and 2-3 zone defense. Bago sila sumalang today, they are reminded to execute properly their game system, paganahin ang communication inside the court, at enjoy ang game. That's all for now. This is Kyla Casulia reporting on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Balik sa inyo, Rick and team.
Ayan, thank you so much Kyla for that update. So yun nga, ACLC Naga, talagang energized sila ngayong araw na ito and ready to steal the game para dito sa ating araw na ito. And let's see kung ano ang magagawa dito ng kanilang bagong team captain na si Jade Guarin, na talaga namang aabangan natin kung ano ba ang ipapakita at isa-showcase dito sa araw na ito.
Yes, kaya naman kaabang-abang po ang matchup na ito ng Annunciation Panthers and the ACLC Hawks. And we are about to start the first quarter of the game. But before anything else, we would like to thank our dearest sponsors. Maraming salamat sa Naga College Foundation, Gold Glofa Construction, ACLC Naga, Lemon Residences, Ateneo de Naga University, NCF Wings, KD Sportswear and Apparel, Garden Cafe, Nagayon Travel and Tours, NCFV Gallery and Museum, Tigers Cafe, NCF Training Pool, at NCF Indoor Firing Range. Maraming salamat po.
Ayan, thank you so much po to all our sponsors. Now, magsisimula natin ang matchup between these two teams. Let's see kung kanino mapupunta ang first ball possession.
Now, jump ball tayo. Again, it's a matchup between the ACLC Hawks and the Annunciation Panthers. Now, an early steal from the side of the Hawks. Back-to-back steal here. Jersey number 24 on the side of the Panthers. Now the ball will stay on the side of the Panthers here. Now 14 seconds on the side. No good for that attempt.
Guarin on that rebound. So ball possession ngayon ng ACLC Naga. They are taking their time here. 13 seconds to shoot. whistle coming from our referee here. So the ball will remain on the side of their team. Jersey number 6 to inbound. Six seconds to shoot. The ball will go on the side of the ACLC Naga again para dito sa ating laro. So great defense for both teams. Talagang nahihirapan dito magkaroon ng point conversion, but a great steal coming from the Panthers.
Now a whistle foul. Para dito sa side ng ating ACLC Hawks. Now on the line for 2 free throws here. Para sa side ng ating Annunciation Panthers. First try was good. Now Tisho. Nine minutes and 3 seconds on our first quarter.
So 2 straight points para dito sa Panthers. Now ball possession ng ACLC. Pasagre to Bautista. Back to Basagre. What will the ACLC do on that situation? At a whistle again coming from our referee here. So foul committed on the side of the Panthers. Now 14 seconds to shoot para dito sa ACLC Naga. Bautista, the jersey number 6, no good. Offensive rebound para sa kanilang kupunan, pero what a rebound on the side of the Panthers. Chance again to have a score here.
Now jersey number 18 on the run. Now passes on the corner. Nagkakagawa dito. Jersey number 72, Didi Recho. The ball will go on the side of the ACLC Hawks now.
Bautista, itatawid ngayon ng bola. Using jersey number 8, no good. The ACLC Naga are having difficulty to have a point conversion at this moment.
Yes, same with the Annunciation Panthers. 13 seconds, no good on that 3-point attempt.
ACLC Naga on the offense. Basagre, the jersey number 6, and now Bautista will try for that 3. No good. And Don Siguarin on the rebound. This time, makakakuha na ng puntos ang ACLC Naga.
Now here, Chad on 2 here sa ating first quarter. Now, Panthers basketball. Tries for 3. That's good para dito sa ating Annunciation Panthers. Para dito kay jersey number 17.
What a great 3. Now, Hawks in and out ball. But Guarin on that offensive rebound. Nahihirapan ditong lumusot sa depensa ng ating Panthers. Pero 2 shots para dito kay Guarin on that last sequence. Because Panthers committing foul on that last play. Now their team captain stepping on that free throw line for an opportunity. Basket para sa unang try dito ni Guarin.
Now, Rick, shoutout muna tayo sa ating live viewers sa ating Bukal Facebook page. Shoutout kay Johannes Popanes, kay Jaja Lopez, kay Lourdes Inday Orsena at kay Vidam. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagkatabay. Now, Ball possession of the Anunciation Panthers. Garmedia. Passes now to Destura. Napapasok sa loob. Heavily guarded here. Loses the ball.
Great steal coming from the ACLC Naga. Now Basagre. Swabe on that last point. Another steal for them. Basket count at samahan pa yan ng foul. Para dito kay jersey number 6. Ontolan on the side of the ACLC Naga.
Grabe yung improvement ngayong season itong ating ACLC Hawks. Now on the free throw line. Ontolan of the Hawks. That's good for a 3-point play. At dahil dyan, papatawag na nga ng timeout itong ating Anunciation Panthers. 5-9 in favor of the ACLC Hawks. 6 minutes and 32 seconds remaining. Magbabalik po kami only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And we are back here sa loob ng ating Air Dinaga Gymnasium sa pagpapatuloy ng ating first quarter para sa matchup dito ng ACLC Naga and the Anunciation Panthers. So change favor nga tayo para dito sa ating laro. Nakuha na nga dito ng ACLC Naga ang kalamangan. 9-5 sa ating talaan. What will be the adjustment on the side of their team? Because napatawag dito ng timeout ang kanilang coach. Now, it's their ball possession right now.
Now, the cheer of the ACLC Hawks mas napapalakas na ngayon dahil nasa kanila na ang kalamangan with the halfway through of the first quarter. Now, 8 seconds to shoot on the side of the Panthers here. Nahihirapan sa depensa ngayon ng ACLC Hawks. No good on that attempt.
Now, ACLC ball possession, but a violation on jersey number 14. So, turnover para dito sa kanilang kupunan.
Double dribble para dito sa ating ACLC Hawks. Dumasha to inbound now. Passes to jersey number 18. Now, Didiretso passes on the corner here. And a steal from the side of the ACLC Hawks.
Back-to-back steal for both teams.
Wala pa rin para dito sa ating Panthers. But the ball will stay on the side of the Anunciation. Now Diaz passes now to jersey number 17. No good. Offensive rebound, but a whistled foul there. Seconds on the shot clock of the Anunciation Panthers. Now 14 seconds on the side of the Panthers here. ACLC Hawks. Merong kalamangan ngayon. Now tries for 3, no good.
ACLC ball possession and Bautista producing a score coming from the layup. Now, abante na dito ng 6 ang ACLC Naga. Point conversion on the side of the Panthers. Bautista taking his time para dito sa ACLC Naga. No good. Rebound on the side of Panthers.
Now, Destura. 7-11. A good start for the ECLC Hawks. Passes on the inside. Now 10 seconds to shoot here. Destura. And then there was a foul on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Natawagan nga ng foul si Ontolan ng ECLC Hawks. 14 seconds for the side of the Anunciation Panthers. Egid to inbound. Passes now on the inside. That's good para dito kay Gobis.
Yun ang kailangan niya dito ng Panthers because they are down here. Now ACLC Naga. On the offense right now, jersey number 20. To Bautista, fights for that 3, no good. Now Panthers on the offense.
Now it's a chance for the Anunciation Panthers to tie this game sa ating first quarter. But that's a traveling violation. Sayang yun para dito sa ating Anunciation Panthers.
They need to minimize their error if they want to cut the lead na hawak ngayon ng ACLC Naga. Now jersey number 20 to inbound, choosing jersey number 29. Sagre taking his time. 10 seconds to shoot para dito sa ACLC Naga. No good. Diaz on that rebound para dito sa Panthers.
Now chance again for the Panthers here. That's good for a 3-point shot para dito kay Disuyo. And at this point, ang 1-point lead napunta na sa ating Anunciation Panthers.
Great 3-point shot. Let's see, no good para dito sa ACLC Naga.
Now the momentum on the side of the Panthers. They need to be consistent now. Jersey number 25 passes on the corner here. Nasa loob. Pero whistle foul there.
Another turnover para dito sa Panthers now. ACLC Naga. Kailangan nila ditong pumutos para maibalik nila ang kanilang kalamangan para sa ating first quarter with a remaining time of 2 minutes and 56 seconds. The ball will stay on their side. Couple of substitution on both sides. Now 10 seconds to shoot para dito sa ACLC Naga.
Now ACLC Hawks, 6 seconds to shoot here. Jersey number 2 ngayon may hawak ng bola. Passes to jersey number 29. And that's a 24 seconds violation on their side. So another turnover para dito sa ating Anunciation Panthers.
Both teams are producing a lot of turnovers at this early stage of the game.
Yes.
Now, Panthers to inbound para dito sa ating laro. Now, jersey number 29 to jersey number 1.
Now Egid with the ball. Didiretso dito.
Rebound on the side of the Hawks. Masyadong napalakas ang pasang yon. Another turnover committed on the side of the ACLC Naga.
Masyado nagdagmabadali itong ating dalawang kupunan sa ating first quarter. Now, Hamoragan. Traveling violation. Ito pa yung sinasabi natin, Rick, kanina pa. Ang dami ng turnover na nagagawa nitong ating ACLC as well as the Anunciation Panthers dito sa ating first quarter.
Yes, that's why 12-11 pa din po ang ating score. Walang nagbabago on our scoreboard because of the turnovers. A lot of turnovers happening inside this court. And right on cue, another turnover on the side of the Hawks team. Now, Panthers on the opportunity side para makakuha ng puntos.
Now jersey number 10 heavily guarded here. Yasuyo. No good. No offensive rebound para dito sa Panthers. Esquilano. Mid-range jumper, no good.
Now ACLC Naga. Ball possession right now. So a free throw opportunity on jersey number 8 on the side of the ACLC Naga. Bien. Basket. Deadlock at 12 para dito sa unang quarter ng laro.
One minute and 50 seconds remaining dito sa ating first quarter. And you're tied on 12 all. Let's see if makukuha ng ACLC ang kalamangan. But the ball will stay on the side of the Hawks here.
12 all. Low scoring para sa ating first quarter. Now, ball possession ngayon ng Panthers. The ball will remain on their side.
Now Ebit to inbound. 20 seconds to shoot on the side of the Panthers here. Ebit. Panthers. Datura ngayon. May hawak ng bola. Passes on the inside here. Heavily guarded. Passes to Esquilano.
Great steal coming from jersey number 29 on the side of Hawks. No good. Rebound para dito sa Panthers.
Nagmamadali dito. Destura. Whistled foul there. Now, 2 free throws para dito kay James Destura. Destura, first try. That's good. (13-12), a minute and 18 seconds remaining sa ating maulan na hapon sa matchup ng ating ACLC Hawks at ng Annunciation Panthers.
Now let's see kung madadagdagan ba dito ang puntos ng kanilang kupunan. Destura. No good. So it's Destura on the side of the Panthers. Ebit to inbound.
Still ball possession of the Annunciation Panthers. Esquilona ngayon for a bonus point here. That's good. Low scoring pa rin tayo dito sa ating first quarter. Dahil sa ipinapakitang depensa nitong ating ACLC as well as the Annunciation. Esquilona. For a second attempt. No good. ACLC now on the run. Jersey number 17 passes to jersey number 29. Now the Lundi. That's a 3-point shot coming from Masi. Naihabol agad ng ACLC Hawks sa kanilang puntos sa Panthers. Now, Hachazo on the run here. 14 seconds to shoot. Bumawi naman agad itong ating Panthers.
Back to 1-point lead ang hawak ngayon ng Panthers na jersey number 29. ACLC nahihirapan dito. Heavily guarded by the Panthers. Great steal coming from their team.
Pero medyo napabilis yung pagpasa dyan para sa Panthers. Now, last ball possession for our first quarter. Jersey number 17, Masik. May hawak ngayon ng bola. 14 seconds to shoot. Now, a steal for the Panthers. Nagkakagawa ng bola.
Eight seconds remaining para dito sa first quarter ng laro. 16-15 on our scoreboard. 6 seconds remaining.
Now, Ebed. Ooh, in and out ball. And that ends our first quarter. Napakalapit lang po ng putos ng dalawang kupunan na ito. 16-15 in favor of the Annunciation Panthers. We will be back for more action sa ating second quarter only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And we are back sa ating laro for our second quarter. Again, ACLC Hawks versus Annunciation Panthers. Abante nga dito ng isa ang Panthers. Now let's see kung sino na ang makakalamang para dito sa ating second quarter. Bautista makakakuha ng putos. 2 points was added on their side.
Now, a good first quarter para dito sa ating dalawang kupunan nito. Grabe yung defense ng ipinakapakita ng ating ACLC Hawks as well as the Annunciation Panthers. Heavily guarded one by one itong ating mga players. Kung kaya low scoring po tayo ng ating first quarter. And now, sa ating second quarter, dire-diretso pa rin ang pag-arangkada nitong ating Annunciation Panthers and ACLC Hawks, with the Hawks leading by 1 point. Now, one player of the ACLC Hawks. Jersey number 5 dito. Na si Bautista. Now still, the ball possession now of the Panthers here. Now, jersey number 17. Passes now. Pass, hindi pa dito nakita si Hatchiso. Yung si jersey number 29 na si Ebed.
Now, ACLC with the ball possession. Bautista, itatawid ngayon ang bola on the side of the ACLC Hawks. For the meantime, let's call our courtside reporter on the side of Hawks. Kayla, anong balita dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Tino. We are now on the second quarter of this matchup. During the huddle, they are reminded that they are being pressured by their opponent, kaya kailangan nilang mag-relax for this quarter. Coaches reminds them to focus on their game plan this quarter and keep pressuring the opponents. Dahil dikit ang laban, they need to double their effort and continue doing their best for their offense and defense. Kailangan din ang maayos na pasa for a good ball rotation. Since during the training, they focus on their shooting. Now they need to execute their shooting properly to help them to help them get the advantage for this game. That's all for now. Back to you, Rick and team.
Thank you so much, Kyla. Ayan nga, nag-pressure itong ating ECLC Hawks ngayon sa ating Annunciation Panthers dahil hindi naman talaga madali maging kalaban itong ating Panthers. And as we can see on the first quarter and for the start of the second quarter, grabe talaga yung defense ng ipinapakita dito ng ating Annunciation Panthers. Kaya titingnan natin kung ano pa bang ipapakita ng ECLC Hawks para mas mapalaki pa yung kalamangan nila ngayon against the Panthers.
Yan ang dapat abangan natin on the side of the ACLC Hawks because yun nga, they improve a lot para dito sa ating liga and let's see kung masasustain ba nila ang improvement na yon para makuha ang panalo ngayon. So nabanggit nga ng courtside reporter ng ating ACLC Hawks na hindi madaling kalaban itong Annunciation Panthers because if I'm not mistaken on the Season 5 of Bukal, they landed on second runner-up on our juniors division. And let's see kung sino ang makakakuha ng panalo. So maganda ang pinapakita ng dalawang kupunan na ito. So sulit na sulit ang panunood dito ng ating 281 live viewers. And punong-puno po ang loob ng Ateneo Dinaga Gymnasium para sa araw na ito. And courtesy of the ACLC community na talaga namang full support whenever magkakaroon ng match ang kanilang school. Now, let's wait on the announcement of our referee right now because they are reviewing kung ano ang nangyari on that previous sequence. And to...
Yes, Rick.
Yes.
Maulan-ulan nga.
Yan, talagang maulan dito. Ang hapon at ang laro talagang everyone's cheering right now because of the intense game between these two teams, again, Panthers and Hawks. And tutok lamang po.
Kaya yan, Rick, napakalakas na ng ulan dito sa Ateneo Gymnasium. Pero andito pa talaga yung mga supporters ng ating ACLC Hawks as well as the Panthers. Kaya naman, shoutout muna tayo sa ating live viewers sa ating Facebook page. Ayan, shoutout tayo kay John Angelo General, Mark Simon De Suyo, kay JJ San Felipe, at kay Key Dura. Maraming salamat po. Now, a quick replay tayo on that last sequence.
Nag-agawan nga dito, tinang bola on the side of the Annunciation Panthers and ACLC Hawks, jersey number 18 and 17.
Yes, it's Detura and Mase of the ACLC Hawks ngayon.
Ayan, team, pasalamatan natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have the Wow Worlds of Water, NCF TRC, and NCF IMC. Maraming salamat po. So the ball will go on the side of the Annunciation Panthers.
Now, jersey number 17, Gobes now to inbound para dito sa ating Annunciation Panthers. Now, 13 seconds to shoot. Diaz passes. Jersey number 17 here. Now, Detura. Back again here. Pero, nakulangan sila ng oras dito. At para makahingi tayo ng update all the way from the side of the Annunciation Panthers, let's hear it from Rain. Hi, Rain. Any updates?
Thank you, Rick and team. In the first few minutes of the game, the Panthers are showing a great performance, but they were still reminded to always box out and to properly apply the man-to-man defense. As they were able to do so, their opponent have been keeping up until the last minute of the first quarter. Their last-minute 1-to-1 defense gave them an opportunity and was able to keep a strong defense, leading them to win the first quarter. It is indeed an intense match, but sa pagkakataon ng first quarter, pusong Panthers ang nanguna. Yan muna ang update on this side. Back to the panel.
And thank you so much, Rain, for that update. So yun nga, kailangan dito ng man-to-man defense on the side of the Annunciation Panthers because as we can observe right now, ACLC Hawks talagang umaarangkada para dito sa ating second quarter of the game. So whistle coming from our referee here. So foul was committed on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. So bola ngayon ng ACLC Hawks. Jersey number 17, Tobasagre. Now, 6 seconds to shoot. Mase fires for that 3. And another one for Mase. Nakakadalawa ng 3 points itong si Mase on the side of the Hawks.
Yes, ito yung dapat bantayan ngayon ng Annunciation Panthers, si Mase. And another steal for the side of the ACLC Hawks. Pero hindi naman nakakuha ng puntos. Now, Panthers on the run here. Detura, didiretso sa loob. And a good communication here between Detura and jersey number 10, Hachizo of the Panthers.
What a connection and what a play. Now ACLC. Basagre makakakuha dito ng puntos. Another 2 points was added on their side.
Bawian lang dito itong ating Panthers and ACLC Hawks, pero sayang yun. Opportunity na yun for the side of the Panthers. A traveling violation was committed on their side. Kung kaya dito sa ating second quarter, 4 na yung kalamangan ng ating ACLC Hawks.
So every points matter at this moment. That's why talagang dapat i-maintain dito ang composure ng both teams. They want to get this win. Great steal again coming from the Hawks. Basagre may hawak ngayon ng bola. 10 seconds to shoot. And a second chance points on the ACLC Naga. And nagkikiyawan nga dito ang kanilang supporters because they are up here sa ating second quarter of the game. 24-18.
Nabubasod foul there. Grabe, malamig dahil sa malakas na buhos ng ulan, pero napakainit ng suportang ibinibigay ngayon ng ating ACLC Hawks supporters and of course ang mga fans ng Annunciation Panthers sa ating live coverage. Now, ball possession of the Panthers here. Gobis ngayon may hawak ng bola. 13 seconds to shoot. Passes to jersey number 30, no good. Pero the ball will stay on the side of the Panthers. 6 minutes and 42 seconds remaining sa ating second quarter. Now, Balaorot. Wala pa rin para sa Panthers.
Panthers are struggling right now when they come to their offense. But on the other side of things, ACLC Hawks, they are having fire and momentum at this moment. 26-18 at mapapatawag nga ng timeout dito ang Panthers. 6 minutes and 31 seconds remaining. Magbabalik po kami.
And we are back for the matchup of the ACLC Hawks and the Annunciation Panthers. Doon nga sa ating mga last sequence, naging sunod-sunod yung pagpuntos nitong ating ACLC Hawks sa pagsimula ng ating second quarter. At naging maganda nga yung simula para sa kanilang koponan. While on the other side, the Annunciation Panthers still struggling to find their rhythm dito sa ating second quarter. And let's see, as this is their ball possession. Jersey number 72. The Panthers, 16 seconds to shoot here. Jersey number 25 ngayon, ang hanap ng papasahan. Gobes. Meron na lamang silang 6 na segundo para gumawa ng play dito. No good.
ACLC Hawks ball possession, but too strong on that pass. Turnover on their side, so the ball will go on the side of the Annunciation Panthers na kailangan ditong maghabol para sa ating second quarter.
Now chance for the Panthers. Balaoro ngayon, passes. Balaoro may hawak ng bola, tries for 3, no good. Offensive rebound ni Gomez. Balaoro again for a second chance point para dito sa ating Panthers.
ACLC with the ball possession at may hawak ngayon ng 6-point lead. Ball will remain on the side of the ACLC Hawks pero mapapatawag dito ng timeout ang kanilang coach. 26-20 on our scoreboard. Talagang ayaw magpahabol dito ng ACLC Hawks because napatawag ng timeout dito ang kanilang kupunan. And let's see kung anong gagawing adjustment para tuloy-tuloy nga ang kalamangan nila dito sa larong ito.
Yes, and of course itong ating ACLC Hawks, kahit nasa kanila yung kalamangan dito sa ating second quarter, hindi dapat sila magpakampante dahil napakaganda din naman nung larong ibinibigay sa atin ng ating Annunciation Panthers. Kung kaya dito sa ating 5 minutes and 23 seconds, ano kaya yung gagawin ng Panthers para makuha ang kalamangan against the ACLC Hawks? At ngayon po dito sa loob ng ating Ateneo Gymnasium, kahit sobrang lakas na po, patuloy pa rin ang pagpasok ng mga taga-suporta ng ating ACLC Hawks. Kaya hindi din naman magpapatalo ang mga supporters ng Annunciation Panthers. Kaya shoutout naman tayo dito sa ating live viewers kay Nang Rabehe, Sian Dorero, kay Maui, kay Irene Tosok, kay Prince James Gamora, kay Lizlyn Habala at kay John Angelo General. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay. Now back to the ball game.
Ayan, nabanggit mo nga, Tin, na kailangan ditong mag-double ng effort ng Annunciation Panthers. But no room for complacency on the side of the Hawks because mahaba pa ang oras natin at mahaba pa ang larong ito para sa dalawang kupunan na ito. Now, the ACLC Hawks on the ball possession. Jersey number 1 fires for that 3. And another 3 points ang papakawalan dito ng ACLC Hawks para dagdagan ang kalamangan nila.
Napakagandang tres galing kay Buhay of the ACLC Hawks. Now Diaz, babawi, no good. Now ACLC Hawks on the run. Jersey number 10 with that layup. Napakaganda.
Yes, Dean. 11 points ang kailangan ditong trabahuhin ng Annunciation Panthers. They are struggling with their offense right now. Let's see.
Now, chance for a 3-point play para dito sa ating Annunciation Panthers. 11 or 9-point lead. Pinakamalaki ng kalamangan sa matchup na to ng Annunciation at ACLC. Now, Balaoro for a bonus point here to lessen the gap of the ACLC Hawks now. Balaoro. No good.
Now ACLC Hawks. Nagmamadali dito. Pasagre. No good. Chance for the Panthers here to score.
Now jersey number 25. Yes, ngayon may hawak ng bola. 13 seconds to shoot. The ball will go on the side of the ACLC Hawks. 4 minutes and 7 seconds remaining. Tumasyan and Ebid papasok muli dito sa ating Panthers side. Ontolan ngayon to inbound. Now Buhay, 20 seconds on the shot clock. Datura with that rebound. Now at this point, Panthers ang naghahabol. Datura for 3, no good.
Ontolan with a rebound. Passes to Basagre. 2 shots for Basagre para doon sa last sequence na yon. Another foul committed on the side of the Panthers. Again, nahihirapan dito magkaroon ng point conversion ang side ng Annunciation Panthers. And this ACLC Hawks are showing us some good defense. They are pushing the Annunciation Panthers to commit a turnover. Another one for Basagre. No good this time. The ball will remain on the side of the ACLC Hawks.
Napatawag na nga ng timeout dyan ang ating ACLC Hawks. 22-32, a 10-point lead coming from the side of the ACLC Hawks. Meron na lamang tayong 3 minutes and 34 seconds remaining sa ating first half. Ngayon, mukhang hindi pa rin nahahanap nitong ating Annunciation Panthers yung kanilang ritmo sa paglalaro. Nakakagulat din katulad nung kahapon with the ACC Green Serpents and the NCF Tigers game. Hindi din masyado nagpakitang gilas dito ang ating ACC Green Serpents. Pero ngayong araw na to, titingnan natin itong sa side ng ating Annunciation Panthers kung ano bang mangyayari. Now we are back on the ball game. Still ACLC Hawks on the lead of 10 points. Tignan natin kung hanggang sa pagtapos ng first half ay hawak pa rin ito ng ACLC Hawks. Now jersey number 14 to inbound.
Jersey number 8 choosing Basagre. Heavily guarded here by Domashan. No. Jersey number 1, no good. Maru on that rebound para dito sa Panthers.
Now Di Diretso loses the ball. Chance again for the side of the ACLC Hawks to widen the gap against the Annunciation Panthers. Buhay ngayon, may hawak ng bola. Heavily guarded by Maru. Jersey number 8, back to Buhay. No good.
Ball possession ngayon ng Panthers.
Nagkakaagawan. And the ball will go on the side of the Panthers here. 2 minutes and 49 seconds na lamang po sa ating first half na Panthers. Chance for them. Deturo ngayon, may hawak ng bola. 14 seconds, Maru. Turnover again para sa ating Annunciation Panthers. Nakakailang turnover na sila. Kanina sa first quarter and up until now sa second quarter, hindi pa rin nagagawa ng paraan ng ating Panthers.
Now, foul was called on jersey number 18 on the side of the Panthers. Again, Annunciation Panthers team talagang nahihirapan para sa ating second quarter. Kailangan nila dito bumawi at magkaroon ng momentum. Meanwhile, Mabuhay, ipapasa dito ang bola kay Ontolan. But a great rebound on the side of this Panthers. Domashan to Hamoragan.
Now Panthers, jersey number 29 na Ebit. With 10 seconds to shoot on their side. Ebit nahihirapan dito. Passes to Domashan. 5 seconds. There was a foul there. A minute and 52 seconds. 10 points pa rin ang hawak ng ACLC Hawks. At hanggang ngayon, nahihirapan pa rin itong ating Annunciation Panthers.
Let's see para dito sa Panthers kung ano ang magiging adjustment nila. Domasian on the service, on the free throw line.
First attempt. That's good. No, kailangan pa itong mapasok ni Domasian para maibaba sa 8 ang kalamangan ng ACLC Hawks. Domasian for his second try. Wala, but an offensive rebound. Domasian again passes to jersey number 1. 8 seconds to shoot. Another whistled foul.
Foul was called on Guarin para sa last sequence na yon. So another opportunity dito para sa ating Annunciation Panthers na kailangan nila para maidikit dito ang kanilang score on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Now, Ebid, let's see kung makakakuha siya ng 2 puntos na makaka-add dito sa kanilang scoreboard.
That's
Basket.
good. Para dito kay Ebed sa kanyang first free throw. Now for his second attempt. Wala pa rin. Now ACLC Hawks. Basagre on the corner. A whistled foul.
Now, Guarin on the free throw line for 2 shots on the side of the ACLC Hawks, 32-24. And abante pa din dito ang kanilang kupunan. Now, Tien, pasalamatan natin ang ating sponsors. We have the Digital Graphics, Bigs, Elite Sportswear and Uniform, HJP Pawn Shop, Havaianas, Ngoan Sons Trading and Industries. Thank you so much po.
Now, Diaz with that rebound. Domasian. Panthers now on the run. Hamuragan. Passes to Maru. 10 seconds to shoot the three-pointer. No good.
Offensive rebound para dito sa Panthers, jersey number 8. No good. But the ball will remain on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. So paunti-unti nakikita natin dito na nagkakaroon na ng adjustment on the side of Panthers. Kailangan nila ditong makakuha ng puntos. With 3 seconds to shoot.
Now Domasian to Maru. Again, a 24 seconds violation on the side of the Panthers. Grabe yung defense ang ipinapakita ngayon ng ating ACLC Hawks. Hindi nila pinapakawalan lahat ng mga players itong Panthers. At kahit may height advantage itong ating Panthers, yung defense ang ipinapakita ng ACLC Hawks talagang nagpapahirap para makakuha ng puntos itong ating Panthers.
So yan ang kailangan ditong aralin ng ating Panthers. Now, ACLC Hawks, out of bounds ball. So, ball possession ngayon ng Panthers. And they need to score right now because 31 seconds remaining para sa ating second quarter. Another steal. Yun nga ang binabanggit mong depensa, pero Maru magkakaroon ng puntos para dito sa Panthers.
Naibaba na nga saan mga lamangan ng ACLC Hawks ngayon. 15 seconds to shoot here. Buhay. 10 seconds. Buhay still on the run. Tries. But a whistled foul. Buhay will be on the free throw line. Parehong kupunan. Nasa penalty na po dito sa ating second quarter. Buhay. That's good. For his first free throw. Buhay. For his second attempt. That's good. No substitution para dito sa side ng ating ACLC Hawks. Lagundi. Babalik sa court nitong ating ACLC Hawks. Now Tomashan.
With 6 seconds remaining para sa ating first half. Maru. Sayang on that last play para sa ating Annunciation Panthers, but that's it. That's the end of our first half. 34-26. Abante pa rin dito ang ACLC Hawks. Magbabalik po kami para sa ating second half only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Business and Management, where your future in the business world begins. We offer a variety of programs tailored to equip students with knowledge, practical skills, and experience to prepare them for the challenges of the global marketplace. Our dedicated faculty members are industry experts and are committed to hone future entrepreneurs, marketing professionals, and business leaders. Begin your quest towards a successful career in business at NCF College of Business and Management. Enroll now and be a certified business-minded tiger.
And we are back here sa loob ng Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium sa pagpapatuloy ng matchup between the Annunciation Panthers and the ACLC Hawks. And we are on our third quarter and still abante pa rin dito ang ACLC Hawks. Now Panthers, kailangan nila ditong maghabol. No good. At a second chance point on their side. So 2 points was added on their score.
Now, Rick, continue na natin yung ating halftime analysis. Napakadaming turnover dito sa side ng ating Annunciation Panthers. Having 20 turnovers, while on the other side, ang ating ACLC Hawks, meron lamang 14. Napakalaki pa rin para sa ACLC Hawks. And now, sa pagpasok ng ating third quarter, ano kaya yung gagawin dito ng ating dalawang kupunan para mabawasan itong turnover and opportunity para makakuha ng puntos? Now, 9 seconds to shoot. Maru for a big 3 para dito sa ating Annunciation Panthers. Wake up call na ito para sa kanila dahil 3 na lamang po ang hinahabol ngayon ng Panthers sa pagpasok ng ating third quarter. Now, a chance again for the Panthers here para mas mapalapit pa ang kanilang puntos against the ACLC Hawks. Now, jersey number 8, no good. Offensive rebound, yes, wala pa rin.
Now, Basagre, libreng-libre para sa layup na yon. So, sabi dito ni Basagre, hindi nila makukuha dito ang kalamangan. Now, on the side of the Annunciation Panthers, para makahingi tayo ng update, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Rain. Hi Rain, kumusta? Anong update dyan?
Rick and Tin, hindi Hindi pa din nga nawawala ang pagkatindi ng laban sa hardcourt as both teams are eager to defend and attack. During huddle, they were told to never forget what to do and not do when playing. Apply man-to-man defense at wag hayaang magkaroon ng opportunity ang kalaban. Execute a proper play and be mindful what to do. Sweat positions if needed. Ayon pa kay Coach Van. Focus on playing and grab opportunities to think it through. During this quarter, the Panthers fell short and is determined to catch up to the next one. Kaya naman abangan natin yan only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Rain. Ayan nga. Alam naman talaga ng Annunciation Panthers na hindi din naging maganda yung kanilang performance sa second quarter. Pero ngayong third quarter, they are really determined to really showcase their skills now. And as we can see, 33-36, a 3-point lead coming from the ACLC Hawks. Kaya ano kaya yung gagawin dito ng Panthers para mai-apply yung kanilang man-to-man defense with the defense of the ACLC Hawks na napakaganda nga nung pagsimula dito sa ating third quarter. At para makarinig tayo ng update all the way from the side of the ACLC Hawks, let's hear it from Kyla. Hi Kyla, anong balita natin dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Tino. We are now on the third quarter of this matchup after having a good offense and defense last quarter that leads them to a momentum. Coaches reminds them to not be complacent. Don't think of their score. Instead, they need to play their game, and especially they need to think their role inside the court. Coach JP continuously insisting that no matter what happened, they need to fight for the ball. For the last reminder of Coach JP, don't think of being the best player of the game, because at the end of the day, it's not about their individual performance, but it's for the glory of their school. And that's all for now. Back to the panel.
Ayan, thank you so much, Kyla, for that update. So I like what Coach ng ACLC Hawks dito sinabi na hindi importante dito ang individual skills because kailangan dito ng magandang chemistry and connection inside the hardcourt para makuha ang panalong ito.
And now, ang daming nasasayang na opportunities sa side ng ating Annunciation Panthers. Ang daming chances nila na para maipasok yung bola pero hindi pa rin nila nagagawa. At this point, they really need to step up. Dahil nga itong ating ACLC Hawks, hindi din naman talaga papatalo. 33-38. Back to 5-point lead itong ating ACLC Hawks. And a turnover again para dito sa ating Annunciation Panthers. 7 minutes for our third quarter. Now buhay of the Hawks. 20 seconds to shoot now. Jersey number 14 passes, jersey number 20. Papasok sa loob, passes on the corner para dito kay Buhay. Diretso. Offensive rebound. And the ball will stay on the side of the ACLC Hawks.
Mabuhay to inbound. Buharin to jersey number 20 on the side of the Hawks. Mabuhay fires for that three. No good. Now, chance for the Panthers here to convert a point.
Now, Panthers. Diretso sa loob. Passes to Diaz. But blocked by the ACLC Hawks. Now, on the run. Basagre with a good communication. Basagre and Buhay having that good point.
Now, 7 points na naman dito ang kailangang habulin ng Panthers. No good on the 3-point attempt. 5 minutes na lamang natitira for our third quarter and still, ang ganda pa rin ang performance dito na pinapakita ng ACLC Hawks. Kailangan talaga dito ang bumawi ng Panthers because malapit na tayo on our end para dito sa game na ito. Let's take a look. One more time for that instant replay. A good pass and good point conversion para dito kay Mabuhay on the side of the ACLC Naga.
Now, jersey number 20 on the free throw line. (33-41). Now, chance for the
Panthers.
Now, ACL Seahawks on the run. Now, chance for the ACL Seahawks. Ngayong season 6 talaga ng Bukal Rick, back to zero lahat ng teams dahil may mga nag-improve, may mga naiwan. And now the ACL Seahawks, one of the teams na talagang kailangan mong abangan. Because kahit maliliit yung kanilang mga players, grabe yung ipinapakita nilang performance. While on the other side, the Annunciation Panthers nahihirapan pa rin. Stuck with 33 dito sa ating third quarter. And a three-pointer coming from jersey number 20, sandigan of the ACL Seahawks. Dahil dyan napatawag nga ng timeout nitong ating Annunciation Panthers dahil 11-point lead again ang hawak ngayon ng ating ACL Seahawks. Napakaganda ng performance na pinapakita nila dito. Hindi alintana yung height advantage ng ating Annunciation Panthers because as we can see right now, the ACL Seahawks, grabe yung kanilang performance, and as we can see again with that quick replay, napakaganda. Galing dito kay Sandigan.
So again, Annunciation Panthers, ano kaya ang magiging adjustment at game plan nila para dito sa ating natitirang 5 minutes and 8 seconds para sa ating third quarter, because again, lumobo na naman ulit dito sa 11 points. Ang kailangan nila ditong paunti-unting habulin at para makatay or makalamang dito sa ACL Seahawks.
Yes, and nasa third quarter na tayo pero hindi pa rin tayo nakakakita ng solidong laro para dito sa ating Annunciation Panthers. At kailangan nating makita yan because last season, isa itong ating Annunciation Panthers sa talagang napakaganda ng performance. But as of now, the ACL Seahawks, grabe yung improvement na meron sila ngayon. Siguro malaking tulong din yung mga supporters nila dito ngayon sa ating Neo Gymnasium na talagang grabe naman talaga kung sumuporta. Now, jersey number 72, supply para sa tres na yan.
Now, another chance for the ACL Seahawks here para madagdagan ang kanilang hinahawakang malaking abante para sa ating third quarter. Now, Bautista to jersey number 8 tries for that three and another one para dito sa ACL Seahawks. Maulan nga ngayong hapon at nagpapaulan din dito sa loob ng ating Ateneo Dinaga Gymnasium ng tres ang kupunan ng ACL Seahawks.
Yes, napakaganda ng third quarter na ito para sa ating ACL Seahawks. And another turnover with a traveling violation coming from the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Now, Rick, shoutout muna tayo dito sa ating live viewers. Shoutout kay Princess Jersel Tanay, kay Mabeth J. Samar, kay Ems Bagajong, Princess, kay Alexander Maru, kay Chan Evangelista at kay Bert Tebrates. Yan, maraming salamat po sa inyo pag-atabay ng matchup ng Annunciation Panthers and the ACL Seahawks. Now, ball possession of the Hawks now.
Great steal para dito sa Panthers. Now, chance for them to score. But again, struggling with that offense. Now, Masagre. Basket count at samahan pa dito ng foul. Let's take a look again para dito sa ating replay. What a move coming from Basagre. Talagang ACL Seahawks on their run, on their momentum para sa larong ito.
Yes, kahit mataas Yung bantay dito ni Basagre na si Gobes. Hindi yun alintana para hindi siya makakuha ng puntos. And a 3-point play coming from Basagre. Now, Annunciation Panthers. Jersey number 25. Long pass. Nagmamadali ulit. ACLC Hawks with a fast break. Courtesy to Bautista. Dire-diretso na ngayon ang Hawks sa pagputos. Now, Desuyo passes now. Desuyo tries for 3. Air ball. Hamoragan, papasok muli para sa Panthers. And let's see what will be the adjustment here of the Annunciation dahil 3 minutes and 21 seconds na lamang ang meron tayo.
Bautista, jersey number 8. And still on the side of the Panthers, Hamoragan. Papasa dito ang bola, but a great steal. Back-to-back steal for both teams. Now Hamoragan again. Choosing jersey number 7, tries for that 3, and this time, 3 points ang papakawalan dito ng ating Annunciation Panthers na kailangan nila para makalikit dito sa score ng ACLC Hawks. Now, back to Hawks. Ang ball possession. Basagre. 10 seconds to shoot. Fires for 3 and another one para dito sa ACLC Hawks. Grabe. His own version of 3 points. Now, let's see on the side of the Panthers. Diaz will try but maaagaw dito ng ACLC Hawks ang bola. Domasian on that steal, looking for his teammate. Diaz. And now, Annunciation Panthers with that miscommunication and crucial turnover para sa kanilang kupunan.
Now, ACLC Hawks. Grabe yung third quarter para sa kanila. Now, jersey number 5 now with 13 seconds to shoot on their side. Nasa loob ulit ito para dito kay jersey number 20, Santigan. 36-57. Grabe yung paglobo ng kalamangan ng ACLC Hawks dito. Hamoragan, babawi. Passes to Hachako. Wala pa rin para sa opensa ng ating Annunciation Panthers. But still, wala pa rin para dito sa ating Annunciation Panthers. But this time, the ball will stay on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. And sana this time, they can get a point.
Now, as we've mentioned earlier, Tien, this Annunciation Panthers team are really struggling right now when it comes to their offense and defense. Hindi nila dito mapantayan ang ginagawang magandang performance ng ACLC Hawks. That's why lumolobo na nga dito ang kanilang kalamangan. What would be the key and the new game plan ng ating Annunciation Panthers if they want to stay alive here sa ating laro?
Yes, 21-point lead. Biggest lead of the ACLC Hawks, and now they are on the run as Basagre again, diretso for a fast break. Buhay na ulit ito mga players ng ating ACLC Hawks as well as their supporters. Now, 57 seconds on the third quarter. Maru tries for 3. No good. Offensive rebound. Wala pa rin para sa ating Panthers. Now, Hawks, nakuha yan ng ating Panthers. Maru getting that point.
Again, ACLC Hawks on the roll right now. Sandigan, no good. Diaz, maaagawan nga dito ng bola ni Basagre with a hot hands para dito sa ACLC Hawks. Napapawaw nga dito ang ACLC community because of the performance of their team. Now, Annunciation Panthers, 7 seconds to shoot. Wala pa rin talaga, Tin, on the side of Panthers. And that's the end of our third quarter. What would be the adjustment here on the side of Panthers because we are down on our fourth and final quarter sa ating pagbabalik only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And we are back for our final and fourth quarter of the matchup of the Annunciation Panthers versus the ACLC Hawks. And now, sa pagtapos ng ating third quarter, grabe yung ipinakitang opensa at depensa dito ng ating ACLC Hawks. While on the other side, the Annunciation Panthers still struggling dito sa kanilang opensa. And wala pa rin silang masyadong communication between the players na talaga namang pinapakita ngayon ng ating ACLC Hawks. And at this moment, first basket nga para sa ating fourth quarter nakuha ng Annunciation Panthers. But that last 3 points, galing na naman po kay Basagre ng ACLC Hawks. Grabe, mainit ngayon ang laro dito ni Basagre.
Grabe, Basagre. Really doing well on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Offensive rebound para dito sa ating Panthers. The ball remain on their side. But again, I would like to acknowledge Basagre on the side of the ACLC Hawks for showing us some prowess inside the hardcourt para sa kanilang kupunan. Now, chance for the Annunciation Panthers here to score. At yun nga para makikita tayo ng update sa side ng ACLC Hawks na mainit na naglalaro dito sa loob ng court. Let's call our courtside reporter, Kyla. Hi, Kyla. What's the update there?
Thank you, Rick and Tino. We are now on the last quarter of this matchup and the momentum continues on the side of the ACLC Hawks. During the huddle, coaches commended their effort during the third quarter dahil napakalaking tulong nito sa kanilang team. Coaches continuously reminds them to not focus on their score dahil lamang na sila. Huwag na huwag magpapahabol at huwag magpakambante at gawin na lahat for the last quarter. They need to double their effort that will help them to get their second win this season. That's all for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Kyla. Ayan nga, kahit nasa ACLC Hawks na yung kalamangan dito, hindi pa rin talaga sila nagpapakapante. And again, that last 3-point shot galing pa rin sa ating ACLC Hawks. Napakaganda nung kanilang paglalaro ngayong hapon na ito, kung kaya naman nakakuha nila yung napakalaking kalamangan against the Annunciation Panthers. At habang itong ating Annunciation Panthers hindi pa rin nakakagawa ng paraan, and a back-to-back point para dito sa ating ACLC Hawks. And at this time, ano kaya yung gagawin ng ating Annunciation Panthers after that back-to-back points of the ACLC Hawks? At para makinig tayo ng update all the way from their side, let's hear it from our courtside reporter, Rain. Hi Rain, any updates?
Thank you, Rick and team. During huddle, the Panthers were told to tighten their defense by implementing the 1-3-1 defense. The early minute of the quarter, they had trouble catching up with the Hawks, and up to the last minute had lapses and was unable to keep with the opponent's pace. This is the different league we're talking about. Go hard or go home, ayon kay Coach Van. This is the last and final quarter. I'm sure the Panthers will do everything they can to catch up with their Hawks. Yan muna ang update on this side. Back to the Panthers.
Ayan,
Ayan nga, Rick. Ang ating Annunciation Panthers nahihirapan pa rin dito sa ating fourth quarter. And nagkakainitan na nga itong ating mga players ng Annunciation Panthers and the ACLC Hawks. Now, the referees and the officials, titingnan muna yan. Dahil ngayon nga, sa ating last quarter, mainit-init na nga between the players of the ACLC Hawks and the Annunciation Panthers. Pero shoutout muna tayo dito sa ating mga live viewers sa ating Bukal Facebook page. Shoutout tayo dito kay Jameson Brenya, kay James Angelo Gabarda. James Angelo Gabarda. And ayan po, mamaya abangan po natin ang ating third game. It's the Pasakaw White Tigers versus the Mariner Blue Dolphins. And sa ating last game ngayong Saturday, it's the Ateneo Golden Knights versus the UNC Greyhounds. Lahat po ito Juniors Division. Kaya abangan po natin sa live. And also, dito sa loob ng Ateneo Gymnasium.
So let's wait on the officials kung anong magiging decision nila on that last play.
Yan, pasalamatan lang din natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have the Nago College Foundation, Gold Glafa Construction, and also we have Lemon Residences, Ateneo de Naga University, and Sea of Wings at KD Sportswear and Apparel. Maraming salamat po sa ating mga sponsors. Now, we're still waiting for the decision of the officials here. (45-68). In favor of the ACLC Hawks. 7 minutes and 18 seconds remaining na lamang po sa ating last quarter of this matchup. Yan, shoutout tayo kay Urma at kay Dayan Ordina.
So again, maghintay lamang po tayo sa magiging decisions dito ng ating officiating officials because they are reviewing some things para doon sa nangyari on that last sequence. Let's see kung kanino mapupunta ang ball possession. So pag-usapan natin tingin ang both teams. So on the side of the Annunciation Panthers, again, simula second quarter up until now, they are struggling with their offense and defense at hindi pa nga sila nakakakuha dito ng kalamangan or sila ang nakakuha ng lead. On the side of the ACLC Hawks, talagang grabe ang energy nila when it comes to their communication inside, yung passing, yung 3-point shoots, talagang andon lahat on the side of the ACLC Hawks. That's why hawak nila ang kalamangan ngayong araw na ito.
And yes, doon sa pagsimula pa lang ng ating fourth quarter, grabe na yung tres na pinaulan dito ng ating ACLC Hawks. Well, on the other side, the Annunciation Panthers still struggling. And I think yung problema dito is yung kanilang opensa. And wala silang masyadong communication, kung kaya nahihirapan talaga sila. Now, quick replay.
So yun nga, kitang-kita doon sa ating replay.
Nabigyan nga ng technical foul itong si jersey number 10 ng ating ACLC Hawks. And also si jersey number 2 ACLC Hawks na sina Lagundi. At itong si Razon.
So free throw para dito kay Diaz on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. 7 minutes and 18 seconds remaining para dito sa ating laro. Basket para doon kay Diaz. So 46-68 sa ating talaan and still hawak pa rin dito ng ACLC Naga ang kalamangan para sa ating larong ito.
Now 14 seconds to shoot on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Jersey number 20, Sandigan to inbound.
Now, Hawks ball possession. Chance para dagdagan dito ang kanilang kalamangan. Jersey number 8, heavily guarded here. 5 seconds to shoot para dito sa Hawks. Basagre fires for that 3 and another one for him. Grabe, walang pumapalyang tres para dito kay Basagre. I'm sure everyone is proud para dito sa player ng ACLC Hawks. Kaya naman naghiyawan dito sa loob ng ating Nayodinaga Gymnasium.
Yes, napakagandang tres galing kay Basagre. Grabe talaga yung pag-init sa larong ito against the Annunciation Panthers. Now, Panthers, an opportunity for them. Ebid now to inbound. 14 seconds to shoot on their side. Now, Ebid, hanapin dito si Detura. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Detura to Ebid, loses the ball. And a steal from the side of the ACLC Hawks. Now, didiretso. Pero a second chance point para dito kay Bien ng ating ACLC Hawks. And without, napatawag nga ng timeout ang ating Annunciation Panthers. 46-73. Grabe yung ipinapakitang performance ngayon ng ating ACLC Hawks from the offense, defense, and also yung ating stand-up player ngayong hapon na ito, Basagre, with a lot of 3 points. Dito pa lang yan sa fourth quarter, kung bibilangan mo, napakadami na talaga siyang nagawang tres. And also, hindi lang siya yung gumagalaw dito sa ating ACLC Hawks. Lahat sila nagko-contribute dito. Kung kaya grabe yung kalamangan na hawak nila dito against the Annunciation Panthers.
So Basagre, a player to look out on this entire Bukal Season 6. Talagang aabangan natin ang ipapakita pa nitong performance. And I'm sure every team talagang meron sila ditong pinapakilalang player na talagang magsa-stand out at idadala ang kanilang school para makuha ang panalo dito sa Bukal Season 6.
Nako, mukhang sisiguraduhin ngayon ng ating ACLC Hawks yung kanilang pangalawang panalo ngayong hapon na ito. And the only thing that the Annunciation Panthers can do at this moment is to lessen that gap of the ACLC Hawks against them. And aabangan natin yung mga susunod na laro nitong ating ACLC Hawks. Kung ano pa nga ba yung kaya nilang maipakita. At for the side of the Annunciation Panthers, kaya nilang bumawi sa kanilang mga susunod na laro. But at this point, mahaba-haba pa po ang 6 minutes and 34 seconds of our last quarter. So let's see. Now we are back on the ball game.
Kailangan na dito ilabas ang alas on the side of the Panthers. They need to play perfection para dito sa ating natitirang 6 minutes and 30 seconds of the game. No good. And nandoon ang player ng Hawks now, jersey number 17, dire-diretso, in and out ball. Out of bounds ball, so ball possession ngayon ng Annunciation Panthers.
Now another opportunity for them, for the Panthers. Tries for a dip 3, no good. Now ACLC Hawks, jersey number 17. Passes now to jersey number 29. And for a 3-point shot, no good. Rebound mula dito kay Damasyan. Loses the ball on the side of the Panthers.
Another turnover, crucial turnover na nagpapahirap dito on the side of Panthers now. ACLC on the offense right now. Basagre, the jersey number 8 on the side of the Hawks. Miscommunication, but still, hawak nila ngayon ang ball possession. Now, 14 seconds to shoot para dito sa ACLC Naga. Jersey number 17 to inbound, but a timeout was called on the side of the ACLC Naga to make sure na makukuha nila ang panalo na ito. Magbabalik po kami.
And we are back for the final quarter of this matchup of the ACLC Hawks and the Annunciation Panthers. 46-53 73 in favor of the ACLC Hawks. 5 minutes and 20 seconds remaining. Now ball possession of the Hawks now. 10 seconds to shoot. A steal from the side of the Panthers. Now didiretso dyan si Dumasian. And get a point here. Now ACLC Hawks. Jersey number 17 now. Mase. Passes to jersey number 14. Now another steal. Ngayon, ACLC. Basket counts. May kasama pang foul para kay jersey number 8. Bien. Itong ating ACLC Hawks. Now a chance for a 3-point play para dito kay Bien.
Now ACLC Hawks, they want to end this with a wide gap on our scoreboard. 48-76 para sa ating fourth quarter with the remaining time of 4 minutes and 44 seconds. Now, Annunciation Panthers tries for that 3, no good. Basagre on that rebound para dito sa ACLC Hawks. Chance again to score para sa kanilang koponan. Traveling violation was called on jersey number 29 rather, on the side of the ACLC Hawks. So again, traveling violation is more fun with Nagayan Travel and Tours. Live your dreams, create memories.
Now, Hamaragan. 17 seconds to shoot, passes on the inside. Dumasian ngayon. Heavily guarded. Nagawan pa ng paraan for an easy 2. 26-point lead of the ACLC Hawks. Now, jersey number 5. 14 seconds. Still ball possession pa rin ng ACLC Hawks. No on the inside. Wala pa rin. Daming opportunity para sa ACLC Hawks. And it will stay on their side. The Panthers. Moragan passes to jersey number 72. No good. Ball possession of the ACLC Hawks.
Bien, itatawid ngayon ang bola. Passes to Bautista, taking their time here. 10 seconds to shoot para dito sa Hawks. In and out ball. Offensive rebound para dito kay Ontolan. Now, Ontolan on that free throw opportunity para sa kanilang kupunan. What a great performance para dito sa ACLC Hawks. Talagang improve team para dito sa Bukal Season 6. Now, Annunciation Panthers, kailangan nilang ibalik ang groove na nawala sa kanila on that first quarter.
Now, Dedura. 10 seconds to shoot, tries for 3. No good. Offensive rebound. Fadeaway shot. That's good para dito kay Dumasian.
Bautista. May hawak ngayon ng bola on the side of the Hawks. Guarin to Bautista. 7 seconds to shoot. Nice pass. And another 2 shots para dito sa ACLC Hawks. Bien. Kakaroon ulit dito ng opportunity para madagdagan ang kanilang kalamangan. 77-52. Dagdagan pa yan ng isa. Basket para sa unang try dito ng ACLC Hawks player na si Bien.
2 minutes and 17 seconds remaining para sa matchup ng Annunciation Panthers and the ACLC Hawks. 52-79 in favor of the ACLC Hawks. Now, Panthers on the run. Detura ngayon may hawak ng bola. 19 seconds to shoot. Detura passes now to Maru. Wala pa rin.
Great steal coming from the Hawks. Last 2 minutes of the match. And what a play coming from the ACLC Hawks. Grabe. They are showing that they deserve this game. Now, 2 shots para dito sa Annunciation Panthers. Foul was called on Bautista para sa last play na yon. Now, Detura. Let's see kung makakapasok ang kanyang free throw. Clean basket for him. 53-81 on our scoreboard. Another one for him. Another substitution para dito sa ACLC Hawks. Bautista to inbound. Grabe. Nagpahabol pa nga ng 3 para dito sa ating laro. What a game para dito sa ACLC Hawks. Nakailang 3 points na kaya ang na-produce ng team na ito. Now Maru, no good on that attempt. Offensive rebound. Chance for the Annunciation Panthers to score. Whistle coming from our referee here. And jersey number 17 on that free throw opportunity para sa Annunciation Panthers.
Now a 30-point lead of the ACLC Hawks. Grabe, napakalaki na pala nung naigawa dito ng ating ACLC Hawks. 1 minute and 7 seconds remaining. Gomez for his second try. That's good. Now ACLC's basketball. Bautista. 13 seconds to shoot here. The pass is on the corner. Back to Bautista. Loses the ball. Now tries for a long 3. No good. And the ball will go on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Last 42 seconds remaining. And at this point, the ACLC Hawks having that 29-point lead. Talagang sigurado na para makuha itong kanilang pangalawang panalo for the elimination round of Bukal Season 6 as the Annunciation Panthers still struggling. And now, Hawks may hawak ng bola para matagdagan pa yung kalamangan na yan against the Panthers.
Foul was called on the player of the Annunciation Panthers. 84-55. So the ACLC Hawks is filling it and claiming the win at this moment. 84-55 on our scoreboard. Again, ACLC Hawks, isang team na dapat abangan natin dito sa ating Bukal Season 6. And of course, the Annunciation Panthers, I'm sure magkakaroon ito ng bounce back on their next game. Now, that's it. That's the end of our game. Nakuha nga dito ng ACL Seahawks ang panalo with a score of 84-55 on our scoreboard. Kudos sa dalawang team na naglaban ngayon for showing great inside the hardcore. Don't go away because when we come back, makikilala natin ang ating best player of the game. Only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Best Player of the Game is brought to you by ACLC Naga. Senior high school is absolutely free. And the ACLC Hawks got their second win this season. Our best player of the game is jersey number 3 with 25 points, 9 rebounds, 9 assists, and 3 steals. He is none other than John Bernard Basagre. Hello, John Bernard. Grabe. Nakita kita during the Season 5 playing for the Naga College Foundation Tigers at talagang binigay mo lahat. At ngayon, nakita kita, ginalingan mo masyado dito sa ACLC Hawks. Matanong lang kita, how does it feel that you are now playing for another school?
Unang-una po, sobrang saya at ibang school naman po ang inirepresent ko para sa Bukal Season 6. Yun lang.
At ngayon, since Season 6, grabe yung pinakita mo. Matanong lang kita, ano ba yung reminders mo sa sarili mo na nakatulong sa'yo at nakakatulong sa'yo every game?
Kasi po, yun nung first game po namin, actually po bad game talaga ako. Sabi ko sa mga coach namin, kay Boss Adrian, kay Coach D, sabi ko, babawi po ako ng second game.
At dahil kanina din, I observe, grabe, Coach JP reminds you a lot. Ano ba yung pinaka-important reminders ni Coach JP na nakatulong sa'yo for this game?
Kumpiyansa lang po sa bawat laro namin. Yun lang po yung sinabi ni Coach Liz.
At Bernard, dahil ikaw ang ating best player of the game, batiin mo na mga gusto mong batiin.
Unang-una po gusto ko magpasalamat sa kay Boss Adrian Litam, sa buong coaches po namin, sa kanila Coach Liz. At sa family ko po, sa supportive family ko sila. Sa Canada po sila, Tita Annalyn, Nanay Lilia, Papa Bernie, Tito Christian, Tito Joey. Sa mga friend ko sa Santiago sila, Eugene, sa Renz, sila Kaloy, sila Johannes, tas ano po, kay Tito Jet, tas Tita Jane po. Yan lang po.
Thank you so much and congratulations. There you have it. That is jersey number 3 of the ACLC Hawks, John Bernard Basagre. This has been your courtside reporter, Kayla Casulya. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Tin.
And that's our best player of the game, jersey number 3, John Bernard Basagre with 25 points, 9 rebounds, 9 assists, and 3 steals. And congratulations sa ating ACLC Naga dahil napakagandang performance po ang ipinakita nila against the Annunciation Panthers.
Ayun nga, Tin. So, ACLC Hawks, a player or a team to watch out for Bukal Season 6. And also, I'm sure magbabounce back dito ang Annunciation Panthers. So, tutok lamang dito sa susunod pang game sa Bukal Season 6. Again, my name is Rick Puerta.
And I am Cristina Alcanzo Reyes. Abangan po natin ng ating third game. It's the Mariners Blue Dolphins versus the Pasakal White Academy sa ating Juniors Division only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.